Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of LinkedIn and you click. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app, and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.